When Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan arrived in Sochi on Monday, many were curious about the outcome. After all, hardly any other world leader still has such access to Russian President Vladimir Putin. One of Erdogan's priorities is to revive the Black Sea grain initiative that Ankara helped create in the first place. The Russian leader appreciated Turkey's role and blamed the West for the current impasse.
We are ready to revitalize the Black Sea grain deal as long as Russian agricultural products are exempt from those sanctions. If that's the case, we are ready to revitalize the grain deal. I have stated this very openly to His Excellency President Erdogan.
Ankara says some of Moscow's concerns are legitimate. It has been exploring various possibilities.
As you know, on different occasions, we have expressed the same issues which our Russian friends have expressed. We believe that the deficits in the deal should be tackled once and for all, so the initiative can be extended. I shared my views on this matter with my valuable friend during our one-on-one meeting as well. In this context, we have prepared a package of new recommendations together with the UN. Via this new process, I believe it is possible to have good results. As the Republic of Turkey, we believe we can reach a solution soon, which will meet expectations.
Erdogan and Putin also discussed trade, defense collaboration, and ways to end the Syria crisis. Despite some unresolved issues, both sides believe there's a lot they agree on. The strategy is to compartmentalize, focus on what they agree on, and build on the successes while they work to reduce the differences. And they believe that meetings like these help achieve that. Hasan Abdullah, TRT World, Sochi, Russia.